Today, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day to lose weight. Let's go! I'm about to break my fast, so I'm gonna show you my first meal of the day. Here we have some oatmeal with a little bit of goat milk, some Sun Warrior chocolate protein. I got a protein pancake right there from Kodiak? Yeah, Kodiak. And then we got some egg whites, we got some lean bacon. Boom, all right there. I do like to save a little bit of my carbs for I know a full serving is 2 tablespoons. This is less than 1 tablespoon, so I make sure I put enough carbs on the side. Just you gotta put some syrup on the pancake or some honey or something, right? So all of that right there equals a total for the first meal: 68 grams of protein, 17 grams of fat, and 88.5 grams of carbs that I'm about to have for my first meal of the day. Tell me that this won't fill you up. You won't. I mean, I'm a foodie, baby. I'm a foodie, okay? And I'm getting the right amount of protein, fats, and carbs that I need for my workout and for the rest of the day. And I'm losing weight. I'm losing fat, baby. Come on, come on. Come on. All right, let's go. Just got done with my workout. I'm feeling good, baby. Oh, May 1st, guys. Can y'all believe that? May 1st. I'm telling y'all. Fat has been burning off, keeping the muscle, and probably gaining some muscle too. All right, I'm getting my little snack in right after my workout. I got a cup with ice ready. Chava, I'm gonna put 2 scoops of this. 1 scoop of my multivitamin green vibrance with live probiotic and prebiotic and all the good stuffs in here. We got a mushroom complex in here. Like, it is so good. And this is gonna equal a total of 27 grams. Protein, 7 grams of fat, and 33 grams of carbs, and that's my little snack for after my workout. Gonna taste so good! If I could express y'all how great this tastes. Kachava sponsor me. Okay, guys, so after this, I had to take another sip. We still have 117 grams of protein to get in, 11 to 22 grams of fat. I say 11 to 22 because if I didn't work out, it would be like 11. But I worked out. I know how much I burned today. We have 76.5 carbs to still get in today. So we're about halfway there. If you're enjoying this content, if you're entertained, or if it's informational, please smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can keep up to date with future videos. Also, hit that share button and share with somebody that you think might need it or would be interested in learning about this kind of way. That's fun, easy to lose weight, to get healthier. All right, back to the video. We are ready for our second meal of the day, second full meal of the day. We have 2 servings of the chicken. We have a serving of the cottage cheese. We got a serving of our black rice or forbidden rice, and then one of these Mission Carb Balance tortillas. So I like to put this all together, make it to a big burrito, and then put it in the air fryer for 2 minutes at 390 degrees and make it like a little crispy burrito. So good. So this whole meal is going to end up being 70 grams of protein, 17 grams of fat, and 72 carbs, leaving me for the rest of the day with 47 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 4.5 grams of carbs. Now, some of y'all may be like, yo, E, this is a lot. That's 2 meals so far, and you have really high protein. Like, it's all high, the big meals. Well, my first one I did right before my workout, and it just fits my schedule. I'm intermittent fasting as well, so I eat from 10 to 4 p.m., 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., and the rest just water. If you're doing that, coffee, tea, no sugar, nothing else in it, that helps suppress your appetite. I do it all natural, all right? Just water. And I do want to point this out. Your macros are not going to be what my macros are. I get to eat a pretty good amount right now because of my weight. I weigh around 210-ish pounds right now, but it will keep on falling every day. So of course, every day my meals will become smaller and smaller because my basal metabolic rate will go down the more weight I lose. So if you're a woman that's 160 pounds, you are not gonna eat nearly as much of this. Yours is going to be different. That's why you want to reach out to me or to somebody or to anybody that can help you with macros and like a little plan for yourself and make it personal. So if you do need help though, put in the comment that you're ready and go ahead and put your age, height, gender, weight, and your activity level, like as far as how much you work out or if you don't do anything at all. And I will set you up on an approximate macro plan as well as I can. I'm about to put this all together and go to town. Stop this baby. Ooh. Usually I will say it looks like a more uniform burrito usually, but I stuffed everything in there. Usually I leave a little bit on the side, and I got little nom-noms, little snacks on the side, but I just stuffed everything in there. Pro tip, if you like spicy stuff, then you gotta get some of this Red Hot Original, Frank's Red Hot. It's 0 calories, 0 everything, aged cayenne red pepper, distilled vinegar water, salt and garlic powder. Come on, and it's spicy. I gotta get some more of this. Okay, just got back from a walk, and I'm not even hungry still. I'm really not that hungry, but we're gonna get some protein in, and I'm gonna eat one of these little 70 calories. It's 17 grams of protein, 0.5 grams of fat, 0 carbs, which leaves me with 30 grams of protein to kill still, 4.5 grams of fat, and 4.5 carbs. So we're gonna down this. Broccoli, celery, gotta be VeggieTales. Got my last ground turkey and broccoli, which is a 29 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and 5 grams of carbs, which puts me 1 gram of protein, 1.5 grams of fat, and 0.5 over my carbs, so which is perfectly fine. So as long as you're within 10 grams of protein, within 5 grams of your fat, and within 10 grams of your carbs, you're perfectly fine. It's not gonna mess up anything. And again, remember guys, mine is higher intake because I'm working out, I'm walking 20,000 steps, I'm also doing a treadmill formal exercise, so I'm burning over 1,000 calories a day, sometimes 1,500 or more, and that's part of why I'm getting the results I'm getting, but it's also what you do in the kitchen. This is kind of what I do during my meals. It looks crazy, guys. It really isn't. I'm just taking the nutritional facts of the protein, fats, and carbs and plugging it in, subtracting it from my daily total, and do it at least by a weekly basis. If you just do this, you're going to see the difference. You're gonna, you're just gonna feel good too. Y'all saw all of the food that I made today. I'm not going hungry, and I don't feel hungry. Even while intermittent fasting, I feel great. Get some stuff like this, make some food. I did all that this morning just to kind of show y'all what I do throughout the day, but I did that within probably 30 to 40 minutes, and I had everything ready for the whole day. I usually don't do that. I usually just cook by meal, but I wanted to show y'all what I do. Alright guys, thank you for coming by, Rippin' Rappers, and as always, what do we say? Rest in peace to the past and rep the future. Let's go, baby. Have a good week. We'll see you next time.